Namaste बच्चों, I Jv'n Ayushi Shukla, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology. So our next topic is 2D, or we can say that two-dimensional array declaration and initialization in C. So in previous video we discussed about what is array and how we declare it and how we initialize it. So simply it is a table or it is a column in array which we declare or initialize, and we insert elements and give address of that element, that is known as index. So now we discuss about two-dimensional array, how two-dimensional array will be declared or initialized. So first, it is very simple thing that it is an just act like a table. It is an table that is x and having x and y dimensions. Okay, so two-dimensional array is simplest form of multi-dimensional array is the two-dimensional array. Okay, so here that is the syntax for array. First type the type, then give name, and then give size, and size will be gone from 2 or 3 or n number of declaration. Okay, so here two-dimensional array, that is here an example, that is type array name x and y. So where type can be any valid C data type, and array name will be a valid C identifier. Then a two-dimensional array can be considered as a table which will be, we have x number of row and y number of columns. So it will be declared on upon you that how many numbers of row and how many numbers of column you want to give to an array. So a two-dimensional array A which contains 3 rows and 3 columns can be shown as follows. See, here is one table given to you that is having 0, 1, 2, 3. Three index columns, that is like we can say that 4 columns and 3 rows. So what is the index value of first column? First column index value will be 0, and first row also will be 0. So here that is the 0 0 array, then 0 1, then 0 2, then 0 3, because column increases but row will be not increasing. Row will not increase. Then row 1, for row 1 column 0, that is 1 0, for row 1 and column 1 1 1, so and so on. So that is the initialization of any two-dimensional array. So we give 2 dimensions for the array, so it will consider it as we created a table for that array, particular array. Thus, every element in the array is identified by an element name of the from A to A I J. Okay, so where A, what is A? A is the name of array, है ना? Okay, then I or J is subscribed as uniquely identify each element in A, which is known as dimensions. So initialized two-dimensional array is known as multi-dimensions. Now here there is a program to explain it very easily, accessing two-dimensional array. How we access it? So here it will take for loop for any array. See, first we include the header file, then into main function, then an array with 5 rows and 2 columns. How many? 5 rows and 2 columns. So initialize 5 and 2. So 5 rows mein we see that 5 row will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what is columns? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that is columns. Now integer I and j. Now output each array element value. For loops, we can consider the for loop and give condition I0 to I less than 5 and I plus plus. For that, insert one more for loop, that is for j, because that is two-dimensional. That's why we take I and j both each other. Now for loop for j equal to 0, j less than 2, and then j plus plus. So, and then print the value of a and print the value of ij. So and then return 0. So what will we execute the program? That is a00 having 0, a01 having 0, a10 having 1, a11 having 2, 20 having 2, 21 having 4, because row will be 2, sorry, row will be 5 and column will be 2, only 2. So there, that is the basic output of this program. If you have any query or any doubt in this program, that how to make a two-dimensional array will be declared, and we can also understand by using one program in our lab session. our live session. Okay. So if you're having any doubt or any query in this section, then comment in comment box. Thank you so much.